Welcome to our channel, 5 Man Garden Pro, where we explore the wonderful world of gardening. And today's video, we are going to unlock the secrets of beautiful vegetable beds and your garden. Vegetable beds are not only functional, but they can also be beautiful additions to any garden. With a little creativity and some expert tips, you can transform your vegetable beds into stunning works of art. First and foremost, it's important to choose the right location for your vegetable bed. It should be a spot with plenty of sunlight and good soil drain. Once you have found the perfect spot, it's time to start planning your design. There are so many design options when it comes to vegetable beds. You can opt for a classic layout or get creative with patterns and shapes. And don't forget to consider incorporating decorative elements such as garden containers or accents. Of course, the ultimate goal of a vegetable bed is to produce fresh and healthy produce for your family to enjoy. And with the right techniques, you can maximize your yield and keep your garden healthy all season long. Join us as we unlock the secrets of beautiful vegetable beds and help you create a stunning and productive garden that you will love. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration.